Moving on then, while you're with us, tell us a little more about the Jefferies note. They've initiated coverage on ONGC with a buy, and they're also saying that they believe that reforms in gas should also support profitability. So what are the key takeaways of this note?
Absolutely. Jefferies has initiated coverage on ONGC. They've initiated coverage with a buy and a target price of 390, which implies nearly 50% upside as compared to Friday's closing price. Spoken about valuations, where they believe that valuations do not capture free flow upside adequately, and hence they see nearly 50% upside from current market price. They believe that the stock is trading at steeper discounts not only to Nifty but also to its long-term averages, and they believe that there is scope for re-rating from current levels. Improved predictability with respect to profitability is also an added positive. Reforms in gas should support profitability from here on, and consolidated net debt to EBITDA is expected to fall to 0.16 times from 0.32 times over FY 20 to 26 on the back of this very positive report that has come in on Jefferies, where they've initiated coverage with a buy rating. 390 is the target. The stock will be in focus today.
All right, Rashesha, thanks for taking us through that. We'll be obviously watching out for ONGC, but Rashesha, now that you're with us and you're still here, take us all through the list of all the stocks that we should be watching out for other than ONGC in today's trading session as well.
Well, yes. First up, let's talk about Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, where RBI has communicated to the bank that candidates that were proposed by the bank for the position of MD and CEO were not found suitable, and that the bank will have to submit fresh panel of candidates for with suitable experience. Of some negative news coming, because of which Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank will be in focus today. Moving on to a whole host of gaming companies, the likes of Nazara Tech and Delta Corp, and that is because of some commentary that came in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the weekend, where he said that he is not in favor of over-regulation of the gaming industry. He also said that a better environment should be made to support the industry. So positive commentary that has come in support of the gaming industry, because of which Nazara Tech and Delta Corp will be in focus. Moving on to Shilpa Medicare, on the back of their fundraising plans, where the board has approved fundraising to the tune of 500 crores via QIP. Madhusudan Kela, Sunil Singhania's promoter entity are some of the investors in the company via QIP. Moving on to Anand Rathi Wealth, it is rather a set of numbers. Revenues are up marginally 1% on a year-on-year basis, but net profit has declined to about 57 crores in the quarter gone by. Margins have contracted to 40% versus 44% that the company had reported same time last year. And apart from that, they've also approved a buyback to the tune of 165 crores. So keep an eye out on Anand Rathi Wealth on the back of the numbers that it reported. Senco Gold, meanwhile, on the back of operating data for the quarter gone by, where they achieved revenue growth of about 39% on a year-on-year basis in the fourth quarter. Same store growth stood at about 19% for the full year FY 23-24, and they also launched 4 new showrooms. Strong operational updates, Senco Gold also in focus. Lastly, Aster DM, this is because they have declared a special dividend of about 118 rupees per share, which translates to a dividend yield of a whopping 20%. On the back of the special dividend of 118 that the company has announced, Aster DM will also be in focus.
Absolutely. Thanks, Ashita, for that roundup. We'll keep an eye on all of the counters in today's trading session. Moving on then.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.